Good morning, yogis, yoginis, and everyone in between. Welcome to day 11 of your morning yoga journey. I'm Kit, and welcome to Yoga with Kit Souther. And this is Cooper. We're both happy to see you. So today we're going to start off with the affirmation, I am confident about my future. You want to just gently close your eyes. Let's say that with me out loud or in your mind. I am confident about my future. Really sink into this affirmation, believe this affirmation, and as we go through this practice together, just whenever you feel like it, gently say it to yourself. Okay, let's go ahead. We'll start off with our cleansing breath before we begin the ums. Right, so we inhale through the nose and out through the mouth, releasing any tension. We inhale through the nose. We inhale. One more, we inhale. Taking our breath back to neutral, back to normal. Relaxing into this pose. Whenever you're ready, gently opening your eyes. Good morning. Great. We're going to drop down this left hand and bring it right on up, gently bending, keeping those sit bones down. And we're going to take it to the other side, dropping down that hand, bringing up the other. Really sitting nice and tall, maybe opening up the chest a little, dropping that hand down, taking it to the other side. Beginning a nice little flow from side to side, taking it the other direction. Right, using your breath as we inhale and as we exhale, taking it to the other side. Finding your rhythm, maybe closing your eyes, maybe pretending that you're a tree. If that's too much for you, then don't. Or maybe seaweed or anonymity. What is this, Finding Nemo? Okay. Gently moving from side to side. Right, going up on the fingertips. Gently bringing the hands up. Doing a little flow. As we exhale, taking it to cactus arms. Gently curving the spine. And as we exhale, coming up, curving. Gently pushing away from the knees, curving the spine. We inhale, hands come back up, open up, taking it to cactus arms, right? And taking it all the way back up, curving the spine. Bringing it up, hands up. Now arching the back a little, and hands come down to cactus. Let's do that 2 more times. We inhale, hands come up. Exhale. We inhale, hands come up. And exhale, curving the spine. 1 more, we inhale. Coming all the way around, curving the spine. Taking it all the way back up. And cactus. Gently allowing the hands to fall beside you. We're going to take the feet out in front. Okay, Well, there you go, could be, right? We're gonna move the glutes to the sides. And we are going to do a nice little stretch that if you're new to yoga, you've probably done it at some other point in your life, right? So we're going to bring this left foot or the right foot, whichever you prefer to start with, up to the thigh, right? Like a little triangle. If you have any issues with this knee or with this hip, you can put something underneath here to prop up this leg, right? So we're going to turn the chest. We're going to inhale, hands come up. We're going to exhale, forward fold. But you know, we are hinging from the waist, from the hips, but just stay up on your fingers, right? We're not trying, if you want to forward fold all the way, then like baby girl, go for it. If not, just like this, you're good, right? We're still getting the benefits from the asana, from the pose, but we're just taking it easy. We're taking it easy, baby. And whenever you're ready, we're going to gently walk the hands back up, taking it to the other side. Right. And so we come up, inhale, exhale, forward fold. Noticing the difference between the sides, right? So if you have any type of tension in the hips, just allow that to release with each inhale and exhale. Savoring this moment of tranquility. Gently walking the hands back up. We're going to take the feet out in front, right? Like you're doing a little sit-up. Bring those heels as close to the buttocks as possible. Gently walking the hands down. From here, gently just doing like a nice little sacrum massage, right? So just rocking the hips back and forth, back and forth. Then we're going to do the eye of the needle. So we're going to bring our right ankle on top of the top part of the thigh, right closest to the knee. If this is good for you, you can stay here, or if you want a little bit extra, you just gently bring that left leg close to you, interlacing the fingers behind the thigh. If you would like, you can also use the right elbow to push away from the thigh, the inner of the right thigh. Right, so just allow that. Maybe as you inhale, you can bring the leg closer, but all the while making sure that that sacrum, the lower back, is on the mat. Focusing on the breath. On the next exhale, we're going to gently release this bind, dropping both knees down, both feet down to the mat. And then, like we were just doing before, just gently massage the lower back. Noticing the difference between the sides, staying mindful of our bodies, the way that they move, the way that they feel in the morning. Now we're going to go on the other side, right? So just same thing, different side. Left ankle is atop of the upper part of the thigh, closest to the knee. Making sure that our feet are flexed. We interlace the fingers behind the leg on the hamstring of the right leg. Finding your moment here. And on the next exhale, we're going to gently release. This time bringing the knees, hugging the knees to the chest. Feeling your navel sink down to your spine. Right? Just allowing the body to compress, but also release. And as we exhale, we're gently going to allow the toes to come to the mat, then the heels, then dropping the hands to the mat, gently sliding out the feet, being aware of the movements. And then from here, we're going to keep the left foot on the mat. And we're going to bring that right leg up to us. I'm going to hold on to the shins here, or if you'd like, you can extend the foot up and release the fingers, holding on to the back of the leg, right? Not pushing anything here, really just staying grounded down in the back, making sure that that left hip stays down. The next exhale, wherever you are, you're going to gently bring the knee close into the chest, and as you exhale, dropping down the knee, switching it to the other side. Then we're going to extend the leg if you would like to, exploring the sensations. Noticing how it feels when you have your leg up in the air. Notice how you get the sensation of the blood rushing down the leg. And as we exhale, releasing, allowing the knee to fall to the chest. We inhale, bringing it close, and as we exhale, extending the leg out. Relaxing here. Preparing the mind and the body for the rest of the day. Saying to ourselves, I am confident about the future. Believing that affirmation, living that affirmation. Gently rolling on to your right or left side, whichever you prefer. From the fetal position, coming back up, keeping your eyes closed if you'd like. We come to easy pose. We inhale, taking the hands over the head. Palms come together. We exhale, bringing the hands to heart center. Thank you so much for sharing this moment with me. Thank you for showing up for yourself. Thank you for being here for these 11 days. And it is 100% okay if you faltered some of the days or you missed some of the days. It happens to all of us. You are not alone, girl. You're not alone. And that is okay, and that's a great thing that you're not alone, right? It all happens. So, I hope that you have a fantastic day. I cannot wait to see you tomorrow for day 12. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications so that you never miss an upload from me or from Cooper. So yeah, have an awesome day, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Namaste. Say bye, Cooper. Good. Okay.